GM recently unveiled the all-new 2024 Chevy Trax, showing of a completely overhauled crossover, complete with a long list of changes and updates. The new Trax is powered by a 1.2-liter turbocharged inline-three cylinder engine, rated at a GM estimated 137 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque. It is matched with a proven 6-speed automatic transmission. The turbo contributes to excellent on-demand power, particularly for passing maneuvers and on-ramp acceleration. To note, the trim level lineup consists of LS, 1RS, LT, 2RS, and ACTIV. All trims add enhanced features and technologies, including Chevy Safety Assist with 6 advanced safety and driver awareness technologies, larger infotainment screens, a standard 8-inch diagonal system, and an 11-inch diagonal screen on LT, 2RS and ACTIV trims, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability, LED headlamps, 17, 18 or 19-inch wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, active noise cancellation. Additional new features on most trims include push-button start, automatic climate control, wireless phone charging and more. Cruise control is also standard equipment on all models, and adaptive cruise control is available on some trims, a first for Trax. Longer, lower and wider than the current model, the 2024 Trax introduces an athletic muscular design inspired by the Chevrolet Blazer. At the front, sleek horizontal lines emphasize the vehicle's width and are designed around the lines of the iconic Chevy bow tie at the center of the grille, which flow outward to the slim Blazer-inspired headlamps that feature all new LED lighting elements. Chevy's signature high-eye LED daytime running lamps make the Trax more visible, day or night. A sleeker side profile is enhanced by a 4-inch lower overall height than the current model, while strong shoulders in the body contribute to a taut muscular presence and strong stance. Each trim has specific design cues, including specific grille designs and wheels, as well as unique decor, depending on the model. RS trims offer the Trax's sportiest design with additional exterior trim accents, as well as a unique grille with an embedded RS badge. The 1RS trim includes unique 18-inch machine-faced aluminum wheels, and the 2RS features 19-inch machine-faced aluminum wheels. The new ACTIV has a monochromatic look, including titanium chrome accents and an aggressive-looking rear skid plate motif. It also features unique black 18-inch wheels. Trax's interior was designed to have a lightweight feel, achieved with sweeping lines and light technical cues that emphasize the vehicle's width and create a sense of airiness, all enabled by the vehicle's longer, lower and wider platform. The low instrument panel enhances outward visibility and contributes to the feeling of airiness, while a technical texture pattern sweeps across, adding depth. Other elements take inspirations from other recent Chevy performance vehicle designs, including signature round vents and more. Display screens are the centerpiece of the tech-forward design, with the infotainment screen canted slightly toward the driver for more intuitive control. The different trims also receive their own decor and accents. 2RS features red accents on the seats and a racing-inspired flat-bottom steering wheel. ACTIV features Evatex seats with yellow accents. The new Trax's larger dimensions pay dividends when it comes to the driving experience and interior spaciousness, with its nearly 6-inch longer wheelbase and wider track, offering more compassed ride and handling characteristics compared to the current model. Inside, the 11-inch greater length and 2-inch greater width, than the current model translates into greater roominess and cargo capacity, including 3 inches more rear legroom, which increases comfort for rear seat passengers, and maximum cargo capacity that increases by nearly 12%. When it comes to safety and driver awareness technology, the 2024 Trax ups the ante with new standard Chevy Safety Assist, a suite of 6 advanced safety and driver awareness technologies that include automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, forward collision alert, IntelliBeam auto high beam control, following distance indicator. A rear vision camera is also standard, while adaptive cruise control, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, rear cross traffic alert and rear park assist are available. The all-new 2024 Chevrolet Trax goes on sale in the spring of 2023, with a manufacturer's suggested retail price of $21,495. The RS trim level has a starting price of $23,195, while the ACTIV starts at $24,995.